time stopping by. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It looks like this, and the little notification bell next to it so you won't miss out on any delicious food because I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Sweet Saturday. So Sweet Saturdays is when I make some sort of sweet treat or dessert, vegan of course, all of it vegan and delicious. And yeah, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a delicious, very easy, and simple, yet very tasty recipe for enchiladas. So these are vegan enchiladas. Yeah, so what do? Let's get veggie. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So already into my skillet I have added 2 tablespoons, or about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And I have already chopped up half of a large yellow onion. It could be a white onion, red onion, it could be a blue onion. Doesn't really matter. Whatever you prefer. And I have the heat at about, I want to say like medium high. And I basically want to like brown these onions. Alright, so these look good. Next I'm going to go ahead and add in a can of black beans. And I bring the heat down to medium. Next I'm going to be sprinkling in about half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm also going to be adding in a teaspoon of cumin. Half a teaspoon of salt, just to taste of course. And I'm going to do half a teaspoon of chili powder. I'm only doing half a teaspoon because my little ones are going to eat this for dinner. Otherwise I would do like 2 teaspoons because I really like spice. I'm also adding half a teaspoon of basil and 1/4 of a teaspoon of oregano. You can do fresh garlic, but I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Alright, we're going to go ahead and mix that all up. And I have some potatoes that I want to add in, but I'm going to do that once I'm done mixing because I don't want the potatoes to get like too broken up or mashed. I also have 2 tablespoons, about 2 tablespoons of roughly chopped cilantro. And I'm also adding in half a cup of vegan mozzarella. This is the first time I'm trying out this cheese, so I'm not sure if it melts. But we will find out together, even though it doesn't matter because it tastes really good. Next I'm adding in our potatoes. I have 2 russet potatoes which have been chopped and boiled. And I boiled these potatoes until they were just tender enough for, I would say, like a potato salad. Okay. Alright guys, so next we're going to be making a very simple but delicious green sauce. And this is going to be going over top, dressing our enchiladas and also in the inside along with our filling. So I have 1 bunch of cilantro. I also have half of a ripe avocado and half of a green bell pepper. I'm also adding in half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. And lastly, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And then we're going to blend it up. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and start assembling this, but I went ahead 2 tablespoons of the green sauce into the mix it up, and then we can go ahead and assemble. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and do this thing. So I am using canned enchilada sauce, and obviously it's bread. And I'm just going to smear some onto the bottom. And I'm actually spreading on a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, or just any oil really, as long. This is just to prevent sticking in the bottom of your pan because it's happened to me before, and let's just say it wasn't pretty. So anywho, I'm just filling these guys up, and then I'm just laying them into the casserole dish. Yeah. And next we're going to go ahead and just drizzle on generously some of our red enchilada sauce. You could also buy like canned green enchilada sauce, that's awesome too. and go ahead and spread this around. And my cheese was really, really melty, so I don't feel the need to add any extra cheese over top. But if you would like to add any extra cheese over the top, you can do that now. And we're gonna go ahead and put this into the oven. It's been preheated at 400 degrees, and it's gonna go in there for about 15 to 20 minutes until everything gets nice and brown. Alright guys, so this is what our enchiladas look like. And of course, I'm going to go ahead and add some of our green sauce right over top of this. You can go ahead and add some avocado over top. I just think it makes it look so pretty. And of course it makes it taste so much more delicious. And then you could also add in some cilantro leaves. And I like to serve this either with some yellow rice or on a bed of lettuce. Alright guys, so you know what time it is. It's time for the taste test camp. So I'm going to go ahead and take a bite of this uber delicious, smells so good, enchilada. That's some good stuff. Wow. This thing is packed with flavor. So absolutely delicious. Make sure you don't forget to put avocado on the top because it just takes it so over the top. Try it and let me know what you think. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big old thumbs up if you liked it. Also, don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you make this recipe or any of my other recipes. Hashtag Let's Get Veggie. Hashtag Veggie Rolls. And by the way, if you guys are not subscribed to my second channel yet, I'll leave a link down below so you can go ahead and check it out. I actually posted a new video about 25 things about myself, like 25 facts, if you guys are interested in knowing a little more about me, because I know a lot of you guys tend to ask me questions about myself. So if you're interested in getting to know me a little better, go ahead and subscribe to that channel because that'll be my more personal type of channel. So anywho, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys very soon. Bye guys!